Good evening. All these days we are hearing about the alcohol based sanitizers, alcohol based hand sanitizers. So, this is what the many people throughout the world are using to protect ourselves against COVID 19, the coronavirus. Now, India is going to be the manufacturing hub for another type of sanitizer that is called iodine based sanitizer. This is the iodine based hand sanitizer, and this is going to be more effective than alcohol based one. This is going to be a long lasting one, meaning it can work for more number of hours than the alcohol based hand sanitizer, and within a period of 2 weeks this is going to be rolled out in India, and India is going to become the manufacturing hub of iodine based hand sanitizers. And apart from this, we'll also be discussing regarding some points related to GST, goods and services tax, and we'll also discuss regarding BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, right? And all these things I'm going to show you now. Please stay tuned. Have a look at this. Recently, India successfully test fired. Please make it very clear. All our test fires will take place from Balasur in Odisha. Recently, India successfully test fired the land attack version of BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. And the question is, what is the range of missile? Kindly remember, the earlier version was 290 kilometers. So this is the latest version, and the range has been enhanced to 400 kilometers, meaning it can hit the target which is 400 kilometers away. Am I clear? So that is the reason why these things must be updated very regularly. So for this question, answer should be option D, that is 400 kilometers. Look at this. India successfully test fired a new version of surface to surface supersonic cruise missile BrahMos, having a range of around 400 kilometers from an integrated test range at Balasur in Odisha. Also make a note of this. The strike range is 400 kilometers. Please remember this. We'll be moving ahead. Look at the next one, another important one. So with respect to this diagnosing this COVID-19, so many kits are there in the market. Now one more kit has come into the picture. Which of the following has developed R green kit that can detect COVID-19 in 2 hours? Right? So it's a very short period. So this is a new kit, and look at the letter R in the question, and that R stands for Reliance. So in the given options, answer should be option A, Reliance Life Sciences. That's it. Look at this. Yeah. So this is another important one. You can have a look at the answer. Recently, which of the following countries have launched Green Strategic Partnership? Is it India, Denmark? It is India, Denmark, and they have launched the Green Strategic Partnership for delivering sustainable solutions to India. And for this, Ministry of Commerce and Industry in India has signed an MOU. MOU stands for Memorandum of Understanding, right? And it was signed with Denmark. Look at this. Whenever it comes to green strategic partnerships or the so-called sustainable solutions, all these are important for the examination point of view, right? And the location of Denmark, right? This is the map. Another important one. As per the GST Act, Goods and Services Act, states are guaranteed compensation for any revenue shortfall below what percentage growth for the first 5 years? So obviously the important thing is that you need to be very cautious here. The original agreement is that for the first 5 years, the compensation, if there is a loss for the states, will be paid by the central government. Clear? By taking the base year of 2015 and 16. Right? And what is the percentage? 8, 10, 12 or 14. Look at the answer. Answer is 14. Look at this. And this is going to end by 2022. Right? So meaning is simple. By that particular time, so whatever the lacunae that is present in GST, everything is going to be settled down, and states will have their own share. But the agreement is only for the first 5 years. Fine. So in this particular case, it is option D, that is answer, that is 14%. So thank you so much for being with me this evening, and I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Thank you so much.